Welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and here at Dupli-Color, we provide you with products to restore, restyle, and protect your vehicle in your garage. And with Dupli-Color's complete line of exact match touch-up paint, we keep your vehicle looking new with those exact color matches that you need for your vehicle touch-ups. Now, it all starts with the color code on your vehicle. Now, there's 3 different ways that you can go about finding the color code. You can go to the vehicle, and the most common spot is the driver's side door jamb. The color code is located on the vehicle identification sticker. If it's not in the driver's side door jamb, it's located in another area throughout the vehicle. If you have a tough time locating it, you could use duplicolor.com to look up your code using the year, make, and model, or you can reference our color selector guide, and in the front, we have a few diagrams there to help you out. Now let's take a look at where this color code is located on this Toyota 4Runner. All right, let's see if we have a code inside this door. All right, we do have the identification sticker right here, and the code is 1G3. So we'll take that code and look up our exact color match product. All right, now that we found the color code on this Toyota 4Runner, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to look it up in our color selector guide and on duplicolor.com. All right, once you have your color code, like we do here, we have a Toyota, so you turn to your make, and you get to the Toyota section. Here we go. It's a 2013, so we have 2012 to 2024. Follow it down till you find your color code. 1G3, which is the code of this vehicle, is magnetic gray, and it looks like we have 2 exact match color products here. We have a perfect match aerosol for those larger projects, and our scratch fix all-in-one for those small nicks and chips. On duplicolor.com, you can go to the home page and click on the word touch up. You can enter in your color code or your year, make, and model. Once you have that information entered, you can pull up the exact color match products that we have to offer to touch up your vehicle. Now that you have the touch-up product that you need, make sure to check out duplicolor.com to find the full how-to video on how to touch up your vehicle. To find out more about our complete touch-up line and other products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.